Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's discussion session wherein we are going to discuss the CAT 23 paper, the slot 2 paper particularly, CAT 23 slot 2 paper, the QA section. So as you all know, we had 22 questions. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 12. Meenu purchases a pair of sunglasses at 1000 rupees and sells to Kanu at 20% profit. So Meenu sells to Kanu. So Meenu purchased at 1000 rupees, that's the cost price. Sold at 20% profit, 20% of 1000 is 200 rupees profit. That means Kanu purchased at 1200 rupees. Then Kanu sells it back to Meenu. So that means now the reverse transaction. Kanu, who purchased at 1200, sells it back to Meenu at a loss, 20% loss. So 20% of 1200. That would mean 240 rupees loss. So that means in the second transaction, the cost price for Meenu now will be 1200 minus 240, which is 960 rupees. Okay. Then finally, now there is one more transaction. Finally, Meenu sells the same pair of sunglasses to Tanu, some other person, third person. If the total profit made by Meenu from all her transactions is 500 rupees, then the percentage of profit made by Meenu when she sold the pair of sunglasses to Tanu is. See, one thing that we can understand here is, here Meenu is making 200 rupee profit, correct? Overall, if she makes 500 rupee profit, she made 200 profit here. That means here in this case, she should make 300 rupees profit, because overall she makes 500 rupees profit. Now, in this transaction, what is her cost price? It is 960 rupees, not 1000 rupees anymore. Now, he is asking us the percentage of profit made by Meenu when she sold the pair of sunglasses to Tanu is. So, can I say my answer here will be the profit she made divided by the cost price into 100. This should give us the answer. Let's try to simplify and see what value do we get. 5 by 16. 1 by 16 is 6.25. So 5 by 16 will be 31.25%. So 31.25 would mean the first option choice is going to be the correct answer. I hope we are clear with this, the working.